everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I make my chocolate chip cookies. First thing you want to do is weigh out all of your ingredients, preheat your oven to 375, and line your baking sheets with some parchment paper. I cream the butter, both the sugars and the salt together for about 2 minutes. I don't go above 4 on my KitchenAid. Scrape down the bowl to make sure everything's getting incorporated. Once that is fully creamed, I add in the eggs and the vanilla, and I cream some more until I'm happy with the consistency. Make sure you scrape down the bowl here as well. I add in all of the flour and I mix until just incorporated. That way I don't end up with tough cookies. I add in the chocolate chips and fold them into my dough. Try not to overdo it with the folding because then you could also end up with tough cookies. For this video, I wanted my cookies kind of big, so I made all of them 70 grams, shaped them into a ball, and put them aside onto parchment paper. You don't have to freeze your dough, you can just bake them right away. Baking them right away will give you a flatter cookie. It's gonna have more spread to it. I wanted a thicker cookie and with little spread, that's why I freezed my dough. Because my cookies were large in size, I baked them for about 20 minutes, and this is how they turned out. They were light and soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside, everything I like in a chocolate chip cookie.